Sia, your personal assistant. Welcome to Immersive Training.
Sia, X-ray. Sia, explode. Sia, close. Sia, start.
Loosen up the eye bolt on the top of the valve by hitting the hammer on it, as shown. Rotate the eye bolt anti-clockwise with your hands to remove it completely.
Sia, next.
Now, place the eye bolt aside on the platform. Next, loosen up the damper completely by rotating it anti-clockwise as shown. Pull out the loosened damper. You can now see a green-colored seal which is attached to the damper. The seal was last changed on 13th May, 2018. Since that date, the valve has worked for 150 hours in total.
Sia, next.
Pull the loosened seal down from the damper. Position the new seal at the bottom end of the damper, as shown. Pull the new seal back up, at the top of the damper.
Sia, next.
Put the damper back in the red-colored valve casing as shown. Rotate the damper clockwise to fix the threads firmly into the red-colored valve casing. Place the eye bolt over the damper's exposed threads, as shown. Rotate the eye bolt clockwise over the damper's threads to tighten it. Congratulations! The maintenance is complete, the valve is ready to be replaced in the engine room.